Hey friends, it's Tracy. Today I'm sharing the Merry Christmas insert for the interchangeable window box series that is offered over at the Rust Covered Cottage by Christina. This kit is cut from a fourth of an inch birch wood. It's very lightweight, and so I'm going to be adding some stain. Now, I've been using this antique wax chalky finish stain. I got it off of Amazon. I could not find some of that antique wax that I usually use from Walmart. So I went on Amazon and I found this by Valspar. I'll put a link for it in the description box. And so I want the more kind of deeper rustic look. And so that's what I'm getting with my just my antique wax here. So I'm going to go ahead and do the majority of the pieces with that antique wax. To add a little texture to my Santa hat and beard and the eyebrows. So I have some sea spray. It's a natural texture additive that is by Dixie Belle. And I just mixed it with some paint and just have just a little spatula thing here and just putting it on there. It does dry to the touch pretty quick, so I wasn't working quite quick enough, or I needed maybe to add a little bit more paint, but I was just not having a very good painting day this day. Anyway, so I just wanted to share how I made that texture on the little Santa there. To give my Santa insert here a little bit of extra sparkle and pizzazz, I'm just using my stickles, which is glitter glue. I'm using the crystal, that's the name of this one I'm using just on the Santa like beard and stuff like that, as well as the snowflakes. I'm going to be adding some to the candy cane and around the trees. And just to give it a little bit extra sparkle for the star, I used yellow stickles just to give a little bit, just kick that little star up just a notch, give it a little bit of glistening to my sweet little insert here for the season. And this is how my sweet little Santa is looking in my window box display. Now, guys, I do have a video of how I painted up my window box in the chippy finish. I'll leave a link for that in the description box below if you would like to check out that video, as well as I do have it included in the playlist at the end of the video, so you can check that out. Also, my affiliate links for the other interchangeable DIY kits that Christina has right now over at the Rust Covered Cottage by Christina. I have that all of that information listed in the description box below, as well as the paint colors and some more information. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.